Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more amazing yoga content. Today, we're going to show you some powerful yoga poses that help in building strength and muscle tone. Let's dive in. Yoga isn't just about flexibility and relaxation. It's also a fantastic way to build strength and muscle tone. Let's explore some of the best poses for this purpose. First up is the plank pose. This pose is great for strengthening your core, arms, and shoulders. Make sure to keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold the plank pose for 30 seconds to a minute, engaging your core and keeping your breath steady. Next, we have Warrior Two pose. This pose strengthens your legs, hips, and shoulders while improving balance and stability. Keep your front knee over your ankle and extend your arms parallel to the floor. Hold this pose for 30 seconds to a minute on each side. Boat pose is excellent for building core strength and toning your abdominal muscles. Sit on the floor, lift your legs, and extend your arms forward. Hold this pose for 30 seconds to a minute, engaging your core muscles. Chair pose works your thighs, glutes, and back muscles. Bend your knees as if you're sitting in a chair, keeping your chest lifted and arms reaching upwards. Hold for 30 seconds to a minute. Lastly, let's look at crow pose. This arm balance pose strengthens your arms, shoulders, and core while improving focus and balance. Place your hands on the floor, lift your hips, and balance your knees on your upper arms. Hold for as long as you can while maintaining steady breath. Incorporate these poses into your yoga routine to build strength and muscle tone. Remember, consistency is key. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching and namaste.